What is up, all you awesome painters and creators? Wild here on another warm Southern California day. I have 3 awesome updates for you that I want to go through real quick, so indulge me for a little bit. Update number 1 is myself and Tally will be attending Twitchcon this year in Las Vegas, Nevada, which will be on the days of October, I believe 20th through the 22nd or 23rd. I'll put the dates here up on screen. And we will be selling our artwork in Artist Alley at booth 97. We would love it if you can come by and talk to us or ask us questions or share your artworks with us. We really love doing this and meeting all the people. So if you're in the Las Vegas area or already attending TwitchCon, stop on by. In addition to TwitchCon, Twitch actually asked me to do a live painting session with 200 to 300 attendees. First come, first serve. That will be on Sunday at 11 a.m. I hope to God I sober up by then. Either way, it'll be a fun time. I'm gonna walk you through on how to do a simple landscape from start to finish. Generally, I teach these in oil because that's what I feel most comfortable in. But since I want you to take the artwork home, we're gonna be doing it in acrylic. The sad part is I got an extremely tiny budget, so we'll be doing it with the cheapest materials possible, but still that won't stop us from having fun and being creative. And trust me, it'll be the best thing at the convention. I guarantee it. And update number 3, I'm gonna talk more about in another video, but I wanna give you a little tease is on this channel here, I get asked all the time, how do I start selling my art to friends, families, and strangers? Or how do I start pricing my art to friends, family, and strangers? How do I sell to person to business, brick and mortar, all those things in e-commerce and social media and beyond? And you know what? For the past 4 to 6 months, I've been working on an extensive walkthrough guide and book. That's right. This dyslexic man actually wrote a book, but it's more than just that. It's a visual guide. It's all my validated snippets that are proven techniques to help you start selling your artwork wherever you want, about making an active income or a passive income with your art. This right here is my magnum opus, if you will. I can't believe I pulled that word out of my head right now, but it's super cool. More information about this come November, because that's when I'll actually start pushing it out and start selling to all you people, but I'm super proud of it and we'll go over more about it. I'll give you a couple sneak peeks here as this video progresses. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of your continued support on this channel here. Without you all following me on Twitter, Instagram, and this channel, I wouldn't have enough validation to get selected for these events or doing the painting tutorials or having the confidence to write a book. All these things do cost money, which is why I'm going to be doing more videos while I can to get more ad revenue to help offset the costs, and doing more live streams. So if you want your art reviewed live on this channel here, pay attention to when I'll be doing those. They're for members, so make sure you hit that membership button down below for the low cost of $1 and up. Or if you feel the need, you can download my starter packet or even just send a super thanks. All of that helps, and I feel weird asking for help, especially monetary help, but hell, I make free content for you. Maybe you could just grease my palm a little bit. You never know. It might help me get that extra martini in Vegas and throw a little money down on the roulette wheel. And then I could be super rich. And I'd love to sell out. That's right. Sell out wild right there. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. And as always, love you all. Take care. Peace.